Hello and welcome to this course on deploying a Django application on Ubuntu using Nginx. My name is Daniel and I'll be your instructor for this course. Basically, deploying a Django application can seem daunting, especially if you're new to server management or handling live environments. So this course has been designed to simplify this process by giving you a step-by-step guide to get your Django application up and running on Ubuntu with Nginx web server. We are basically going to see how to install the necessary dependencies, do the necessary configurations, set up MySQL database, install SSL, and above all, following the best practices for deployment of Django applications. If you happen to run into challenges or have any questions during the course, do not hesitate to drop a comment or reach out to us directly. I'll do my best to get back to you and help you resolve any issues. At the end of this course, you have fully deployed your Django application and gained hands-on skills with the confidence to handle similar deployments. And while at it, we are going to be continuously producing other courses that helps you in navigating through the internet space. You could find some of our resources on YouTube. We are on YouTube and we do create such content to help you solve some of the challenges that you'll be facing when interacting with servers and all that. So I have attached the link to our YouTube below. Please be sure to check it out, subscribe, and see the resources that we have created so far. We also do blog writing, where we also try to give solutions to the common challenges that you face when interacting with servers and websites. I'm already excited about this course, so see you in the course.